We're not that old yet, but the expectation already feel like adult expectations.
People ask about our future, they ask about mature cares. And when we're tired, they say, you'll get used to it.
Even though in our heads we're still thinking, am I actually ready?
Hello, welcome back to Learning to be Ready.
Welcome to our special guest. In your opinion, what does being an adult mean from a high schooler's point of view?
Being an adult is when you start thinking, what am I going to do after graduation?
And realizing that not everything can be postponed anymore.
Kinan?
Being an adult is when teachers say, this is important for your future, and suddenly you panic for no reason. For us, being an adult isn't about age, it's about starting to think about consequences.
What's your biggest fear about growing up?
I'm afraid of choosing the wrong path, the wrong major, afraid of disappointing my parents.
That's so relatable.
I'm afraid of becoming nothing, not failing badly, just being average.
I'm afraid of being compared. My friends already know what they want. I am still confused. I'm afraid of losing myself because I try too hard to meet expectations.
Do you feel family pressure starting in high school?
Definitely. Grades, majors, the future.
Sometimes no one even says it out loud, but you already feel like you have to be helped.
Like you feel, I'm not allowed to mess this up.
I even overthink choosing a pencil. Oh my god, oh my god. That pressure often comes from career, but we also need space to learn.
Important question. Do we have to be ready right now?
I don't think so. High school is a phase of trying things out.
I'm still scared, but I'm learning that being scared is normal. If we wait until we feel ready, we'll just stress ourselves out first. What matters isn't being perfectly ready, but being willing to learn slowly.
Let's talk about this. Is there a moment when you suddenly realize, oh, life is not just about homework anymore?
Honestly, when I googled how much college costs, and then I closed the tab immediately.
That was a reality check.
Yeah, because before that, college was just a word. Suddenly, it felt real. For me, it was when teachers started saying, this will affect your future, not your test, not your grade, your future.
That word is different.
Exactly. It made me think, what if I mess this up? What if one mistake changed everything?
Mine was more quiet. I started planning my weeks, my months, even my years. And I realized I don't live just for today anymore.
That sounds really adult.
It scared me because I miss when life felt simple.
For me, life started feeling serious when I realized I can control everything no matter how hard I try.
That realization hurts a little.
But it also teaches you acceptance.
Do you ever overthink the future late at night?
All the time, especially when I'm trying to sleep. Same. Expect my brain choose the word steaming.
What do you usually overthink about?
What if I fail? What if I disappoint people? What if I choose wrong and can't go back?
I overthink about expectation, not just for others, but the ones I put on myself.
That's heavy?
Sometimes I forget I'm still learning.
I overthink because everyone else seems too sure. They say, I want to be this. I already have a plan. And I'm just there like, cool, I'm still figuring it out.
Overthinking is our brain trying to protect us, but sometimes it forgets to be kind.
Let's talk about comparison because social media does help at all.
Everyone looks like they have their life together.
Even though they probably don't.
Comparison makes you feel behind, even when you are actually on time.
Yeah, someone gets accepted early, someone wins something, and suddenly you feel like you're losing, even if nothing bad happened to you.
High school teaches us to compare numbers, grades, ranks, achievements.
But life is not a leaderboard.
Essentially, everyone must at a different pace. Watch on small achievement you are proud of, but really talk about
Learning to ask for help.
That's actually huge.
Learning to say, I don't know yet, without feeling ashamed.
Showing up even when I feel unmotivated.
being kinder to myself on bad days.
We really celebrate these things, but they matter. If adults were listening right now, what will you want them to know?
That pressure doesn't always motivate. Sometimes it just scares us.
That we are trying, even when it does not like it.
The jokes about real life actually make us more anxious.
That super matter more than perfection. Maybe we should ask things differently. What goes ready even near?
It doesn't mean having everything figured out.
It means being honest about being scared.
It means showing up even when you're unsure. It means willing to grow, not forcing yourself to grow fast.
One message for anyone listening who feels afraid of growing up.
You're not weak for feeling this way.
Your timeline is valid.
Being confused does not mean you're failing.
You are allowed to learn at your own pace.
So, will we be ready?
Maybe not today,
Maybe not tomorrow.
but readiness isn't a finish line.
It's a process.
A very confusing the process.
To everyone listening,
You are not late. You are not broken.
You are growing.
And then